look at ordering numbers in terms of size. Okay, so let's get a list of whole numbers. That'll do. Now we want to put these in order of the biggest to the smallest. Now this is the second number in each number is the units column, so that's worth less than the tens column, which is the first number in these numbers. Okay, so the numbers we've got are 33, 41, 27, 31, 52, and 17. So to find the largest number, we need to find the number which has the largest number in the tens column. Okay, so that would be this one. So we start off with 52, and then we're going to cross out each one that we've done. Now that, again, for the next biggest number, we're looking for the one with the largest tens value, and that's 41. Now we run into a bit of trouble, because if we look for the one with the next largest tens value, that we've got two. We have 33 and 31. So if the tens are the same, to decide which one's bigger, we look at the units column, and in this case 33 has the bigger units column, so that's the larger number. Then 31. Next up, again, we look for the next highest tens, it's 27, and the last number is 17. So this is a very simple exercise, but I want you to get this idea of the tens and units column for when we move on to ordering decimals, which from smallest to largest, which people find a little bit more difficult, because we can apply exactly the same principles in that case. Okay, these numbers we kind of know which one's bigger because they're just the counting numbers. It's like 1, 2, 3, 4. We're aware of it, but when we get to decimals, which isn't too bad, don't worry, but you can apply these same principles. Okay, so thank you for watching this short video, and come back in a couple of days to see that video on ordering decimals, which actually can come up all the way up onto your GCSE exams. So thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next